Welcome to the AI Business Brief, the weekly update for founders, operators, and business leaders who need to understand what's actually changing in AI without the hype. This week marks a clear inflection point. We are moving out of the experimentation phase and into consolidation, accountability, and real operational impact. Large players are buying capabilities, not ideas. Budgets are tightening around ROI. And AI agents are no longer demos, they are becoming product defaults. If you are a small business, a solopreneur, or an early stage founder, this is the environment you're now operating in. Let's break down what happened this week and what it means for how you should be thinking about AI in 2026. Two major stories this week point to the same signal: consolidation is speeding up. On one side, a major social platform is acquiring an AI startup focused on agent-style automation, systems that do work end-to-end rather than just responding to prompts. On the other, a dominant AI hardware company is reportedly in advanced talks to acquire a large language model company. This tells us three important things. First, AI capability is no longer being treated as a feature, it's treated as infrastructure. Second, the stack is collapsing. Compute, models, and distribution are being bundled under fewer companies. Third, competition is shifting upstream. The fight is no longer just who has the best model, but who owns the workflow businesses depend on. For small businesses, this has a downstream effect. Tool ecosystems will become more opinionated. Switching costs will increase. Free tiers will shrink. The most important theme this week is the rise of agentic AI. Agents are not chatbots. They don't wait for instructions at every step. They execute tasks, make decisions within boundaries, and complete workflows. We're seeing a shift from "look what AI can do" to "this is now how work gets done." Marketing workflows will increasingly run with minimal human input. Customer service will move from scripted responses to outcome-driven resolution. Internal operations will become background processes. The key mindset shift: you are no longer adopting tools, you are delegating responsibility. Another signal this week came from the infrastructure layer: inference capacity. As demand grows, inference is becoming strategically scarce. For SMBs, risks: latency sensitivity, vendor dependence, design AI usage where ROI is obvious and defensible. Enterprise AI budgets are not disappearing, they are concentrating. Spending is flowing to tools that prove measurable impact. For operators, clearer winners, stronger accountability. If a tool doesn't save time, reduce cost, or increase revenue, it won't last. Leadership changes and ecosystem bundling show one thing clearly: AI is becoming table stakes. Advantage will come from workflow design, not platform choice. 4 actions to take now. 1. Audit where AI touches your business. 2. Fully delegate one workflow. Track ROI weekly. Choose ecosystems intentionally. The experimentation window is closing. Execution discipline is the advantage. That's it for this week's AI Business Brief.